Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
209RC here, ladies and gents. I just want to make a quick comparison video between the stock clamp for Varla Eagle 1 and the upgraded one I got from AliExpress. It's cheap. I'll put the description down below. As you can see, it's more thicker. So yeah, clamp and the locking mechanism are a little smaller than the stack ones, but other than that, I think this one is a lot better because it's thicker. See, it's about close to halfway, you know, like double this size right here. So yep, I'm about to install it. I'll see you guys in a bit. There you have it, ladies and gents. It took me about I would say 3 minutes. Put this on. It's easy, you know. It's actually a lot better, you know. This is a must upgrade. So if you have Varla Eagle 1, you know, I would upgrade it immediately. Just look, you'll see the big difference. It has at least 1.5 more inches, you know, clamping it on the top to make it more secured. All right, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.